Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV27. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You may also want to have a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning purposes. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Start by removing the dust container. Simply press the release button and lift it off. This will give you better access to the motor housing. Next, locate the screws securing the motor cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the motor cover removed, you will see the motor itself. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. A soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol can help ensure everything is clean and ready for the new motor. Now disconnect the motor wires. There will be a connector that you can gently pull apart. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the wires are disconnected, you will need to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Use your spanner to carefully unscrew these. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Now take your new motor and place it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place. It's important to ensure that the motor is firmly fixed to avoid any vibrations during operation. Next, reconnect the motor wires. Make sure the connection is secure and that there are no loose wires. Once everything is connected, it's time to replace the motor cover. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Now, replace the screws that hold the motor cover in position. Ensure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Finally, reattach the dust container. Your Dyson SV27 should now be ready for use. If you encounter any issues, or if the process seems daunting, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now, plug in your vacuum and give it a test run. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations on successfully replacing your motor. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.